It's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel, double check your notification on, and if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because you know these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen to me. Listen to me. What they're doing to XRP is really next level. And they must really think that we don't have basic analytical skills. Okay? Here you have a financial product with a demand all over the globe. And every single day, we see new products that's associated with this financial product going parabolic. Every single financial product that pairs with XRP somehow breaks records. CME, Flare, the XRP Rex Osprey ETF, all these products that pair with XRP are breaking records, which means the demand for XRP is through the roof. But you look at these red candles, it appears that retail investors and institutions are waking up at 4 and 5 in the morning and dumping their XRP. We all know that is not what is happening. These are the bad actors at 4 and 5 in the morning. What they're doing is they're spoofing, they're watching, they're selling XRP back and forth between each other to push the price down. They're creating sell orders that they don't intend to sell into the open market. They're doing everything in their power to push the price down, to push retail investors out of the XRP play, because they're terrified that there's going to be a lot. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, but there are going to be a lot of people whose bank accounts are going to be looking a lot prettier once XRP runs. And they know that. And that's not what they want. Okay? Guys, think about all the positive catalysts that are on the horizon. The XRP spot ETFs, as soon as the shutdown is over, they're all going to be approved. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Even though technically, they should have been approved automatically once the expiration date happened. But I think a lot of the institutions don't want to start selling the product and have the SEC come in and tell them no. Okay, but technically, some of these spot ETFs should have automatically been able to go live once the expiration date passed, but that's for another video. But here's the thing. We have all these positive catalysts coming in. The spot ETFs. We have, after November 22nd, we have the ISO 222 going live. If you want to send money overseas, you have to be ISO 222 certified. And we're seeing more real-world assets being tokenized on the XRP ledger every single day. And we have all these new products coming out that are paying yield to XRP holders. So with all this positive catalyst, with everything that's going on with XRP, do you guys believe that retail investors and institutions are waking up at 4 and 5 in the morning and dumping their XRP? This is pure manipulation. The SEC knows it, the DOJ knows it, the FBI knows it, and they do absolutely nothing about it. Because the 1%ers that are engaged in the shenanigans are the same 1%ers that own the SEC, that own the DOJ, that own the FBI, so they are never held accountable for doing anything in the markets. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that retail investors and institutions were waking up at 4 and 5 in the morning to dump their XRP? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.